My regular dental checkup discovered a problem with tooth infection causing decay in the bone of the jaw. Dr. Rick explained in detail the treatment options available, even arranging for an examination by a second dental surgeon. I opted for full tooth extraction, bone graft, and tooth implant by Dr. Rick, as giving the best long-term solution. Throughout this multi-stage procedure, Dr. Rick carefully and fully explained each stage prior to the surgery, then followed up by phone afterwards to check how I was feeling. Dr. Rick's painstaking attention to detail, obvious surgical skill, and the work of his whole team at Oasis Dental meant that I felt relaxed and confident throughout, and couldn't have wished for a better final result.